Hi everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks. Here with the Gatsby coming to you with a 3-box break from 2017 Hit Parade Football Autograph Jersey Edition. This is Series 5, boxes 46, box 10, and box number 1. Good luck everybody. If you haven't checked this out, guys, I'm telling you, please do so. We're live 7 nights a week. We have the greatest room on earth at breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. Good luck, guys. Here we go. $50 break credit promo coming up right after this too, guys. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. Can you hear the popping of the seals? Nice. Got a Hall of Famer here. Oakland Raiders. Fred Biletnikoff jersey. The old Florida State product. Mr. Biletnikoff. Nice hit there. Custom jersey. The Biletnikoff going out to MB Skills. Taking down the Biletnikoff. Nice hit, buddy. Nice Fred Biletnikoff. It's one of the better signatures I've seen on his. Very nice. Comes with a Leaf Authentics. There's your sticker. That was a nice hit, man. Fred Biletnikoff. Congratulations there, buddy. Alright, second box coming up, guys. Here we go. Gonna hear this one's already kind of jammed up there. It's kind of danked up. There you go. Sometimes these boxes come all kind of packaged weird. Ooh, another nice one. If this is who I think it is. Actually, I think this is the other guy. This looks like Demarco, I think. Yep, Demarco Murray. But it does have a really neat inscription on there. 10/23/2011. 253 yards. That's a Demarco Murray Cowboys jersey. Demarco Murray number 29. Pretty cool with the inscription and extra stuff on there. That usually adds value, as you guys know. That's a Demarco Murray hit. Dallas going out to CCN. Taking down a hit. Congratulations, bud. And that comes with a PSA DNA. There you go, bud. Nice hit there for you, CCN. Got yourself a nice little Demarco. Yep, that's a rookie graph too, folks. 2011. The Demarco Murray. That's a pretty cool hit there. Very cool. Yeah, I don't think I've seen one of those rookie graph PSA DNAs actually on Demarco that we pulled at least. That's a cool hit there, man. Very nice hit. That's going out to CCN. And the last box of the 3-boxer, guys. Here we go. It was not a rookie graph, MB. I don't think they knew what the hell a rookie graph was. Gonna hear the popping of the seals, guys. Good luck. Back in his day. Oh, another nice one. This guy here is one to hang on to, guys. I'm telling you, Ajayi. Nice. Miami Dolphins running back who came onto the scene this year as Aaron Foster went down once again. Nice Jay Ajayi. That is a JSA cert for you there, bud, right there on the sticker. Let's see, who has Miami? Jay Ajayi going out to Rick N. Rick N is taking it down. Rick N, one of MSD's buddies. Again, MSD is taking that one down for Rick N. Again, MSD, that's coming to you, brother. All right. That completes the 3-boxer, guys. Congrats to the winners. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time at Boom City Breaks. We're live 7 nights a week, folks. Breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks.